In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Litecoin on Coinbase. So this is super easy to do, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So as you can see, I'm on the Coinbase app on my phone, but if you're on the PC, that's not a problem. It's almost exactly the same. So for me, when I go to portfolio, you can see that I have some coins. It's not a lot. It's only 36 cents. And if you want to buy Litecoin and you don't have euros or USD or pounds or anything like that, like fiat money on your account, you first have to deposit fiat money. So for me, that would be euros, because when we go to Litecoin right now, just search for it. There we go, Litecoin, hit it, and then hit trade. You can see when we hit buy Litecoin, we first have to deposit money. So if you've already done that, you can skip this step because, yeah, you don't need to do it because you already have done it. So go back, go to euro, and then hit deposit right there. And now you can see that I have two payment methods, so ideal or bank transfer. So this depends on the country what you can use, but I usually use ideal. Then select the amount you want and preview the deposit, and then it will be directly deposited on your account. And once you've done that, you can go back till you see Litecoin right here, then hit trade, and then hit buy Litecoin. There we go. And now we can enter the amount of Litecoin. You can do like even this or this, just any amount you want. So let's do 1, for example. Then you want to hit preview deposit, and then you bought Litecoin. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.